It's hard to believe today, but a stone tower once stood right on the edge of Horseshoe Falls. It was called Terrapin Tower, and for 43 years it offered visitors a view of Niagara that would be impossible now. Built in 1829, the tower sat at the end of a wooden walkway stretching out over the rushing river. Visitors paid a small fee, climbed a narrow spiral staircase, and stepped onto the roof, standing just a few dozen feet from the brink. People described the tower trembling from the power of the falls, with mist blowing across the steps and the roar drowning out everything else. In the 1800s, this was the ultimate thrill. Artists and early photographers loved Terrapin Tower because it added drama and scale to their images. The old photos in this slideshow were taken near the tower itself, showing Niagara when it was rugged, wild, and almost completely unmanaged. But Terrapin Tower didn't disappear because it was unsafe or an eyesore. It was removed for a very different reason. A new, larger observation tower was planned for the area, and Terrapin Tower was seen as competition. The idea was simple: take down the old tower, build a more impressive one, and control the viewing fees. So in 1872, workers drilled holes in the base of Terrapin Tower, packed it with dynamite, and brought it down in a single blast. The twist? The new tower was never built. Terrapin Tower was demolished to clear the way for a replacement that never came. Today, all that remains are the photographs, rare glimpses of a time when visitors could stand almost at the edge of Horseshoe Falls. Terrapin Tower may be gone, but its story is one of the most fascinating chapters in Niagara's past.